We're going to look at today is how to draw a third angle orthographic projection that has been sectioned from this given information over here of this pedestal, they call it. Okay, what they've given you a front view and they've given you a right view. In the question they say the given figure shows a pictorial view of the pedestal. They actually didn't show you a pictorial view at all, but I've drawn that out for you so you can see the front view and you can see the right view of the object. Right, what we need to do from this information is to be able to draw these section views that they've asked. Okay, they say that you need to draw a front view, scale 1:1, so it's literally just copying out what you're seeing there. And then they ask you to draw a full sectional right view of the pedestal. That means that you're going to cut through the center of this object and you're going to place yourself in the diagram over there. You're going to be looking across from the right-hand side, and whatever you see along that section line, you're going to be drawing in that position. They've given you a full right view. They're wanting a full sectional right view, so it's not going to be exactly the same as that. All right, let's just have a look at what I've managed to do so far. I've drawn out the front view, and I've drawn out the full right view. You can see all the hidden detail. Now, if you look over here, they've actually put in a bit of extra hidden detail, which they shouldn't, in that position and in that position. So I've actually taken that out. You'll see that I didn't do the hidden detail there or there. All right, and you'll see why that is in a few seconds. Right, we are going to cut through this object at that point over there, and we are going to place ourselves in this view, looking across from the right-hand side, and cut away all of this part over here. Okay, so this section over here is going to disappear, and whatever's left over there, that is what we're going to see. I've drawn out a pictorial view of what I'd be able to see if I removed that part, and you can see that I've cut through this part. You can see a line there where there's the edge of the hole, there's the edge of the hole, and then obviously cutting through this material as well. You can sort of see these saw blade marks going through the material that's been cut. Okay, so let's have a look at that. There is the view. Note this part over here has been removed. This wedge-shaped thing over there has been removed. You can see there's another wedge-shaped thing, but that's at the back. Okay, so in other words, this wedge over here has been taken away. That one is still remaining, so I'm still able to see that, but it is behind this cylinder part. All right, what we do need to do is to do the hatching on there, which you'd use a 45-degree set square. You take your 45-degree set square with a 0.3 pencil. I know I'm not using a 0.3 pencil at the moment, but you just get that hatching going across there as fast as you can. And once you've done that, let's just take that back, just get that piece in using the bevel of the ruler, or I'm just using the marks on this ruler in order to get the spacing of these lines. They must be equally spaced across the diagram, and just hatch the parts that have been cut. Okay, let's just take that up to the top there and hatch these parts with my ruler. You'll see that I'm using this little gap with the little lines on the actual ruler part to get that spacing correct and equal all the way across. Right, there we go. There's the hatching done, and you can see why I didn't have a hidden detail line drawn in on my diagram over there. Note there's no hidden detail there. Otherwise, I'd have to have a solid line showing that they were two separate parts, and they're not. All right, okay. The next thing is to draw the top view. In the next video, I will show you how to go about drawing that top view.